Hi guys, do you want to learn letter like me? Yeah? So let's go. Light green color, orange color, red color, pink color, gray color, dark green color, yellow color, blue color. A for ant.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
B for belt.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
C
Q, R, S,
for
T, U, V,
cat.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
D
ABCs. Next
D
time,
for
won't you sing with
dog. E for egg. F for fairy.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
G
Q, R,
for
S, T, U, V,
grapes.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
H
ABCs. Next
H
time,
for
won't you sing with me?
horse. I for igloo. J for jelly bean. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rat. S for snack. T for train. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for wave. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. C. Yellow color, green color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, pink color, red color, blue color. Apple. Apple is red color. Mango. Mango is yellow color. Coconut. Coconut is brown color. Kiwi. Kiwi is green color. Banana. Banana is yellow color. Orange. Orange is orange color. Grapes. Grapes is purple color. Watermelon. Watermelon is red color. Pineapple. Pineapple is pink color. Pear. Pear is green color. Peach. Peach is pink color. Plum. Plum is purple color. Cherry. Cherry is red color. Blueberry. Blueberry is blue color. Melon. Melon is green color. Apple, mango, coconut, kiwi, banana, orange, grapes, watermelon, pineapple, pear, peach, plum, cherry, blueberry, melon. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.